Good morning. We are very excited about this project. TUBE stands for Time Dependent and Usage Based Broadband Price Engineering. Our team members include Somya, Kali, Ujia, Jagri, and Meng. We've designed the TUBE system based on the rigorous theory of price optimization, and we've implemented an end-to-end prototype in our Princeton Edge lab. I will cover the motivation and general overview of the TUBE system, and Somya will talk about TUBE architecture and deployment plan. But why are we interested in pricing by timing? Because we want to use all the capacity in expensive wireless spectrum and use them all the time. TUBE is a software system that computes and delivers the right pricing incentive to make that happen. Then wireless provider can manage congestion in their network, reduce the cost, and monetize their bandwidth asset. Congestion pricing has been around for several decades now, and now what has changed? Cisco predicts the mobile data traffic more than doubles every year, and video is the main driver for this trend. This year, the video traffic will exceed 50% for the first time and will be almost two-thirds of the entire mobile traffic within 4 years. The rate of innovation in devices also exacerbates the problem. A smartphone generates 24 times more traffic than the average handset, and the tablet generates 120 times more traffic. Even upgrading from 3G to 4G will not solve this unprecedented surge of mobile data traffic. According to a mobile data usage study conducted by Cisco, top 1% of the mobile data subscribers generate more than 30% of entire mobile data traffic. ISP's cost is largely driven by these heavy tail users, while the revenue is based on the median users. This means as the tail gets heavier and heavier, their revenue model will be torn apart. To make things worse, the heavy usage concentrates on several peak hours in a day, forcing ISPs to over-provision according to the peaks. Even charging by monthly usage doesn't mitigate this. But that's a clue to us. If there is a large differential between peaks and valleys of the bandwidth usage, maybe we can exploit that. Here is a typical mobile data traffic chart over 24 hours. Within 1 hour, there is a factor of 5 difference in demand. Within just 5 minutes, there is a factor of 2 difference. And this pattern is repeat itself. If only people can wait till the valley, then we can bring the tail much closer to the median by dumping the peaks into the valley, and the operator wouldn't have to over-provision for the top of the peak. TUBE makes this possible by incentivizing users to move to the period of mild congestion. But are people willing to wait? We did an online survey in US with 130 participants across 25 states. We've learned that people are willing to wait if right incentives are offered. From our survey, 40% of participants say that they are willing to wait 5 to 10 minutes for YouTube video if they see one-third of cheaper monthly bill. More than half say that they can wait 3 to 5 hours in downloading a movie that they aren't watching right now. As many mobile apps proliferate, many types of traffic are time elastic. How elastic they are depends on the nature of the traffic. Streaming and online gaming are so elastic. But email and Facebooks have the elasticity by the minute. Non-critical software download and file backup can often wait for a few hours. A couple of hours is enough, even several minutes is helpful. It gives you a chance to skip the top of the peak hours. Can we try pricing by timing now? Certainly in the aggressive Indian market, and perhaps also here in the US. FCC is now encouraging measures to match the price to the cost through the usage-based pricing. And our partner ISPs know that time-dependent pricing is a natural next step. The first move from industry in the US was taken last year with AT&T's move to usage-based pricing for their mobile data plans. And Verizon just announced the tiered pricing. Beyond the small baseline, you pay $10 per gigabyte. Actually, more than $10 a gigabyte for the first several gigabytes. How much is a gigabyte? 15 minutes of video a day and nothing else. That's a gigabyte a month. As 4G rolls out with high speed, as Steve Jobs upgrade iPhone and iPad resolution, and as that mobile data volume keep doubling, we know $10 a gigabyte is going to hurt. Which brings us charging by timing. You pay more during peak hours, and you save by waiting. We talked to rural ISPs, and they are motivated. Delhi ISP serves part of upstate New York, and they told us they want to see how time-dependent pricing works for their customers. We talked to Qualcomm, and they are interested in even one step further, charging by wireless congestion condition. Say it's 8 p.m., a busy hour, but so happens very few are using the spectrum for 2 minutes. Why not advertise that window opportunity with a very low spot price? Those waiting only for these very low prices become a new class of ultra affordable data plan or UAP users. For voice calls, India already started time dependent pricing. You see, people are really willing to wait. Same for Africa. They are even starting to try out congestion dependent pricing. The operator adjusts the cost of calls every hour in each network cell depending on the level of usage. Customer can check the discount they are getting on their handset. But their congestion-dependent pricing only for voice call and without giving users an opportunity to react to low prices. Telcoria already runs time-dependent pricing for voice call in India. Also, MTN runs congestion-dependent pricing in Africa. We want to take it one step further and make time-dependent and congestion-dependent pricing work for mobile data traffic and video over IP, and provide TDP and UAP services. But this requires creating a feedback loop between operators and users, rather than the just operator playing defensive and charging prices without giving users a chance to react. In fact, Tube makes users react either themselves or by using the autopilot mode. But making this work is not trivial. How to compute just the right price so that operators are willing to offer that price and consumers are ready to take it. How to integrate the whole feedback loop from operator computing the price to consumer reacting to it. How to make the system user-friendly and scalable. Soumya will talk about our tube technology and deployment plan.